Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create animated videos using AI with the help of these easy tools for consistent characters. And right now, I'm currently inside Leonardo because it's one of the tools we're gonna utilize. Because if you don't have Midjourney, like this one right here, you can use Leonardo or any other AI tool. But I highly recommend Leonardo, or if you have Midjourney, which is a paid subscription, please use it. For this video, I'm gonna utilize Midjourney, but I'm gonna show you a sample on how to generate on Leonardo. Anyway, with this one, just generate a simple image first. And by the way, once you're inside Midjourney, it should look like this one right here. However, I am currently using my own server and I have Midjourney inside it. So please check my previous video on how to enable or insert Midjourney inside your own server. So we can just start right here, simply type in the command imagine, and then with this one, let's just create our simple image. So the key to a simple image is be specific. So type in a curly hair boy. Let me just remove my cursor. So curly hair boy, red jacket, a backpack, simple as that. Waiting patiently. And with that, I'm gonna type in this word Pixar style. So I have a specific style to use, and this is the keyword that I want you to take note of. So to create this videos of animation, we need to create consistent characters and multiple angles. So type in this character sheet, and then the next one would be multiple angles. So for the first few prompts right here, it will be by your own preference. However, please make sure these two right here are inputted. So once you're good with that one, type in this command AR 16:9 so we can be more specific regarding our images. This is just aspect ratio so we can have the size consistent. And with that, I'm gonna click on enter. While waiting, I'm gonna copy everything here. And now I'm gonna go to Leonardo so I can show you how it works. So image generation right there, this is a free tool by the way. And try the prompt right here, generate with that one. And I think I have a notification that's saying my image is finished. So there we have it. So I have a few images here. I think the fourth one is good. If you're not satisfied with this one, of course you can reshuffle. But I'm good with the last one. So I'm gonna upscale number 4 or U4. And once I have it right here, I can just simply copy the image, or rather download the image as it is. So after downloading this image, just check our Leonardo. And let me just move it aside, and there we have it. Actually, the Leonardo one is much better if you're gonna ask me. It's much more consistent. So just for discussion purposes, I'm gonna take this first one right here. Simply download the image. And now once we have our own image, let's go to this free tool called Canva. Currently right now I have a paid subscription, but don't be nervous because you can use this tool as a free trial with a lot of features to use for. So create a design, type in photo book because we're creating a comic, right? Choose portrait. Now once you're inside Canva, it should look like this. And then just go to upload files, and look for the photos you have. Upload one more file right there. I think I have the one from Midjourney inside desktop. Perfect. So I think, let me just remove some things here. Now perfectly right there. I have 2 images. Now you'll see right here I have 3 angles, right? So I'm going to duplicate the page 3 times. Give me a second here. So with this one, to duplicate the page, simply type in the word duplicate. On how to duplicate that one, simply click on hide pages right there, add page, so we have 3 pages right now. And with this one, I can just simply paste it right here. Now this is gonna be the magic. So you can just use the magic eraser on this edit photo right there. Let me just use that one and I'll show you how it works. So with this one, you can erase this one. For example, let me just include my brush size or enlarge it. Give it a second to load up. So we have right there. I think I only want the first one, so I'm gonna delete everything here. So this is one way to focus on your one item right here. However, I'm gonna show you a much more faster way than this, because actually this brush eraser costs the paid subscription. This feature right here is not available for a free trial. So let's try this next option that I'm gonna show you. So we have it right here, right? Now we want only the third one. Just so you can just simply crop it, for example, and then make sure you only want that one. And with this one, simply click on Smart Crop or simply click on Done. I'm going to go with that one. And with this one, I think I'm good to go. I have successfully removed the other two rather than this one. Much faster way, right? So let's delete this one. I don't like that actually. I'm going to go with this one right here. Now, once I have this, I'm going to take the first one, this one right here, and the last one. So with that being said, I'm going to enlarge it first. And then I'm going to crop it. So to crop it, simply right click and choose a crop right there. Or you can edit photo and look for the crop option right here. So you can choose Smart Crop. Wait for it to load up. Give you a second here. And with that, you can just simply choose the image you want. I like the first one right there. Crop it perfectly, enlarge it. Like so. Make sure it's everything expanded. And do the same thing with the other photos. So for this one, I'm gonna create and crop the third photo that I like. I think I'm gonna go with this guy right here. Or the last one. It's much more better angle. So once I have it right here, simply click on Done. Enlarge it. Same process. So this is a much more free feature than the one that I showed you earlier, because Magic Eraser is for paid subscription inside Canva. But if you have the paid subscription, please do so if you like to utilize that one. Again, this will be by your own preference. For the last one, I think I'm gonna get this guy right here. This angle. So we can have someone looking at the back. I think I have everything assembled here. Perfectly right there. Now, another thing to take note of is click Edit Photo and Background Remover. However, for Background Remover, this is for paid subscription. And there is no workaround or any other way inside Canva to remove background rather than this one. There are tools in the internet or any Explorer right there or browser regarding background remover, so please check them out. But for this one, we're good here. So we have that little thing right there. I'm gonna use Magic Eraser to remove that little thing over here. I think I have it perfectly right there. Perfect. Now, once we're done here, make sure you click on Share to download. And make sure you click PNG. And once you're done here, Transparent Background. Make sure you click on Transparent Background, okay? Now, once you click Transparent Background, there is also an option to increase the size on this option right here to upscale it. Make sure you click on All Pages and simply click on Download. And wait for it to finish up. I'll get back to you once they're here. So after downloading the images inside Midjourney, here's what we're gonna do. So I already run the prompt right here. Let's try it one more time. So I'm just gonna type in Imagine and copy the link of each images. So that's one. Let's try the second one. Make sure you enter a space. That is pretty important on each link. And the third one right there, copy the link. And you might ask me what kind of prompt we're gonna use for this one. Just simply choose a prompt we used earlier. I think this one is the one we're looking for. Make sure you copy everything. And then that is the secret inconsistent characters. Make sure you just use one single prompt all throughout your video. And now I'm just gonna change or remove these two keywords right here because I don't need multiple angles anymore. What I need right now is facial expressions. Perfectly right there. Now before clicking on enter, I'm gonna copy this one and I'm gonna show you why in a few seconds. So by clicking on enter, I have it running, which is gonna be this one. As you can see right there, we have it smiling over right here for the third one, second photo, and I'm gonna go with the first one. Now I'm just gonna paste Imagine right here, paste the prompt, change this one into sad. Same thing, I'm gonna type Imagine, paste the prompt, and click this for angry. Now I have a lot of choices going on. So I have already two samples for happy expressions, which is much better than the first one. And that is the key in Midjourney. If you're not happy with the one you have for the first generation, make sure you copy and then regenerate or reshuffle. I think I'm gonna go with the third one right there. Pretty awesome. And for the sad, I'm gonna go with the fourth one. For the angry, I'm gonna go with the fourth one right here, much better. So I have 3 images with different facial expressions right now. So I'm gonna download each one of them. So save image. I'm gonna type this one for desktop. Type happy. Perfectly right there. So it's failed to process my command. I'm just gonna type in U4 one more time. And then U4 one more time again. I'm just gonna upscale them. And then save image. I'm gonna go type in angry for this one. And then gonna go for desktop so I can easily find it. This one for sad. I'm gonna go to desktop one more time. Perfectly right there. So I have 3 new facial expressions right now. Next up I'm gonna do, I'm gonna animate everything in Canva. So I'm gonna go back with Canva and delete this one. I'm gonna create a new project. I'm gonna go home on Canva. With this one, I'm gonna click photo book portrait one more time and open up a new Canva template or Canva design. So I'm just gonna upload the photos from earlier. So we have happy, angry, and sad. So this method right here is the much more simpler or beginner method in animating videos. So first thing on animating videos, of course, we need a background. You can show your elements right there. I'm gonna type in anime school and see what it gives me. I think I have this one. It is good enough for us. I think portrait is not the size we're looking for. So I'm gonna go back on home, create a landscape photo book. And with this one, I'm gonna go to elements and look for anime school background. Perfectly with that. And I'm just gonna choose and look for an anime school background, the one we're looking for. Give me a second here. I think I have it right there. So one more time, I'm gonna type in school anime background. Found it earlier from the portrait version, right? So give me a second here. I'll get back to you once I find it. Now I'm gonna settle with this image right here. So we're moving right there. Just expanding it to make sure it fits the screen. Moreover, so if I click on that one, the play button, I'm gonna have some characters right there. It's gonna be within the background itself. Next up, just upload your image like so. Remove the background perfectly with this one. Again, background remover is for paid subscriptions. Just make sure it's fitted on the screen and then try playing it to see how it works out or how it plays out. So simply click on play. And currently right now we have an animated video, but it's much more of beginner level. So you can add some more here. You can add some animation. So after inserting your image and fixing the sizing, you can still animate it a little bit. Make sure you click on animate button right there. You can change it however you see fit. Add some elements. For example, you want to add here some cloud or cloud idea, and then wait for it to open up. Photos or graphics, it should be right here. Perfectly right there. Add it on the photo. Add some text, for example, and put it right here. Now this is still a beginner level animation. Let's move on with a higher level animation because we're gonna use Pika Labs now. To use Pika Labs, open your Discord and look for Pika Labs right here. It should be around the corner. Let me just look for it. Give me a second. So this is inside Pika Labs. Just choose one of generation channels right there and type in create like so. Enter your image. Just open your browser right there and choose an image of your liking. I'm gonna go with this one right here. So this is gonna be inside Pika Labs. Once you're inside it, type in create because it's gonna be a different command than Midjourney. So type in create right there. Before clicking enter, click on that one option right there. Click on plus one more, choose image. Choose the image we're gonna use. I'm gonna go with happy right here. Open it up and just simply type in a simple image. Just reference your photo. So a boy with a red jacket. I think I'm gonna go for red jacket right there and curly hair only. Just don't make it complicated so you can help AI identify your image. Click on enter and wait for the magic to happen. This will take around a few minutes. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here's gonna be our video from Pika Labs. So simply click on the download button right there and go back to Canva. So I have it uploaded right here. Let me just remove this background and paste it over here. Now once you have your animated video inside Canva, you can do a lot with it. For some example, you can add some elements to it. For example, you can add this one and put a text with it. So type in this one, sorry about that, and type in hello right there. Minimize it, of course. Let me just put something right there around the size of 40, and then minimize it a little bit more. Place it right here, color it a little bit more highlighted, and there we have it. So we have that right there, but you can edit some more. For example, you can edit this specific one right here. Give me a second. I think I have it right there. So I can animate this one, for example. You can put that one, or you can click it all together. And that being said, we have animated a video inside Canva now. Now, that being said, we can add some more here. So again, this is just a beginner style conversation. And that being said, we have just animated our very own video inside Canva using Pika Labs. And that being said, let's try creating our very own background using Midjourney, because we can just only rely on the backgrounds that have on Canva, because it doesn't really go well with our design, right? So might as well create our very own. I'm gonna go back on my server, and this one right here, I have Midjourney, right? So we type in imagine an anime, or rather an anime school front. I think I'm gonna go with this one, simple school front right there, Pixar style, and I'm good with that one. So I'm gonna get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. This is gonna be our image. I think I'm gonna go with the second one. So I'm gonna upscale number 2. So I have it right here. Save the image and just save it on my desktop. Give it a second to load up. Save it right there. Go back to Canva. So upload your image, the one we created with Midjourney, specifically the background right there. And with this one, I'm just gonna minimize this little guy right here. Place it on the little left section right there. Paste right here. So most of our problems inside Canva is overlapping. So I have a video on Canva on how to use the features here. But for now, I'm gonna teach you how to utilize this one. So click on position, go to layers, just hover your mouse, drag the video or the kid in front, and we have our very own background. And with that being said, you can just move this one, and if it keeps moving, you can just right click on lock. So the only one moving right now would be the kid. Increase the size, and there we have it. We have a background specifically good for this specific image. Again guys, you can add some elements here, especially this text cloud right there, and do as you see fit. And basically with that one, I have created a video using only free tools utilizing Canva, Midjourney, and Leonardi.ai. But there are so much tools out there to look out from. One of which would be Kaiber. Let me just open it right now. So Kaiber is another animated tool or animated AI generation tool. With just a simple prompt, you're gonna get this video right here. So let's try viewing it. As you can see right now, it's a pretty good animation. So awesome, right? Now before I end this video, just want to make sure I share this one. So before I end this video, I just want to leave you with a special note. If you want to download or generate rather in Midjourney a very specific image style, as you can see right here, I have used Pixar style, right? Please utilize that feature of Midjourney. There are hundreds or thousands of styles out there. There's Studio Ghibli. If you know any author or styler or artist, you can input it here. For example, very specific, I'm gonna type in this one. It's a bit longer, so stay with me, okay? A Pixar professor standing outside the doorway. If you can see right here, it's like I'm telling a story of a space academy. And the idea here is make sure you be more specific. Like this second sentence right here, I'm going to type in waving his hands and the students coming in. I'm just typing the story right here. And with that being said, I'm going to type in style of Disney. If you notice, I already used Pixar here. I'm going to type in style of Disney right there. I'm going to type in highly detailed. Give me a second here. Highly detailed. I'm gonna type in 8K one more. And with that being said, style of Pixar one more time. I think I'm good here. I'm gonna type in enter and see how it works out. So as you can see right here, this is our image. You can utilize these images and proceed as the tutorial I gave earlier. You can use them. I'm just showing you that there are a lot of styles, or rather styles, to work with, especially this first one right here. And by the way, if you don't like the results, you can really reshuffle right there and change it, or just click on submit and will give you different results. Let's wait for the last one to finish. And by the way, this is a very good looking image. You can animate this one, you can use it. And by the way guys, you can use my prompt. You can post a video and copy my prompt altogether. So these are the new results. If we reshuffle, it's a bit better if you're gonna ask me, especially this last one right here. Pretty awesome, right? And by the way guys, another thing that you can animate your videos is go directly on video editors. So I'm not gonna cover everything regarding video editing as of today, maybe some other time, but I want to highlight that you can do it inside free editors. CapCut is one thing, my own right here is Filmora, but CapCut and I think Photoshop is free trial right now. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.